Make $2,000 per day by posting rain videos on YouTube. Step-by-step tutorial on phone and computer. What's the secret behind the rise of rain videos that are raking in millions of views? It's not just about the soothing sounds, it's about connecting with viewers who need help sleeping, studying, or relaxing. My name is Olu, and in today's video, I will show you how people are making up to $2,000 a day on YouTube with rain videos, without showing their faces or even saying a word. If you stick with me, you will learn how to create, grow, and monetize rain videos step by step. And by the end, you'll know exactly how to turn these soothing sounds into serious cash. Ready? Let's get started. Now let's break down what makes rain videos so captivating. What are rain videos? Rain videos are relaxing ambient videos that combine visuals of rainfall with accompanying rain sounds, often lasting several hours. These videos are designed to help viewers relax, sleep, focus, or meditate. Popular on platforms like YouTube, they cater to people seeking soothing background noise or a calming atmosphere. Why do people love rain videos so much? 1. It's all about emotions. 2. Calmness. The steady rhythm of rain soothes the mind, helping people relax or fall asleep. 3. Nostalgia. For some, rain brings back comforting memories of lazy days or childhood. 4. Focus. Students and professionals use rain sounds to block out distractions and stay productive. Now here's where you as a creator come in. You can craft mood-specific rain videos to tap into these feelings. 1. A rainy city at night for that moody, dramatic vibe. 2. A serene forest storm for meditation lovers. 3. A study playlist with light rain and soft instrumentals for students. 4. Personalizing your videos for specific audiences, like ASMR, autonomous sensory meridian response, fans, or meditation enthusiasts, can help you stand out and grow your channel faster. All right, you've got the idea. Now, where can you actually find these rain clips to bring your vision to life? Rain clips are the magic behind those viral rain videos you see on YouTube. Think of them as bite-sized recordings of rain, perfect for creating calming, relaxing content and bringing ambiance to life. You can find rain clips on 1. Stock footage websites. Sites like Pexels and Pixabay offer rain visuals for free, while premium platforms like Envato Elements let you access exclusive, high-quality clips. Head over to Pexels.com, a free site for high-quality, royalty-free videos. Type rain in the search bar and pick a clip that matches your vibe. Want a darker, cozier feel? Choose visuals with minimal light. You can also find still images and pair them with rain sounds for even simpler videos. 2. Do-it-yourself style. Got a rainy day? Grab your phone or mic and record it yourself. It's cheap, authentic, and fun. 3. Sound libraries. Check out platforms like Epidemic Sound for professional rain effects that you can easily download and use. Rain clips are your ticket to crafting videos that calm, captivate, and maybe even cash in. Now that we've got the visuals covered, let's talk about sound. Where do you find those soothing raindrop sounds? For top quality audio, check out Epidemic Sound. They offer a 30-day free trial, which is perfect for beginners. Search for rain in the sound effects section and explore options like rain downpours, raindrops, gutter sounds, or even rain on an umbrella. Pick one, download it, and you're good to go. Here's where the magic happens. Let's talk about how to combine visuals and sounds for maximum impact. The power of visuals and sounds. When it comes to rain videos, authenticity is everything. Picture this. Visuals, high-quality rain clips that pull you right into the scene. Visualize the rain sliding down a cozy cafe window, the droplets tracing paths like little rivers, or how the rain hits the vibrant, lush green leaves, each drop bringing them to life. Sounds. Now let's turn up the cozy vibes. Pair those visuals with the soothing sound of rain. Start with a gentle drizzle, then maybe a heavy downpour, and just for fun, sprinkle in some unique sounds, like the soft tap of rain on an umbrella or the rhythmic patter against a rooftop. It's like nature's very own soundtrack, setting the perfect mood. Want to go the extra mile? Try this. Add crackling fireplaces for cozy vibes. Blend rain with cafe chatter for a bustling yet relaxing environment. Pair rain with soft piano music to create a study-friendly atmosphere. All right, time to roll up your sleeves. Let's get to editing on your computer like a pro. How do you edit like a pro on a computer? If you're on a Mac, open iMovie or Final Cut Pro. For Windows, try a free app like Windows Movie Maker. Import your video, drag and drop it onto the timeline, then copy and paste it to loop the clip until it's 10 hours long. Yep, people love long videos. Add your rain sound, loop it, and you're done. Easy, right? No computer? No problem. Let's take your phone and turn it into a rain video editing powerhouse. How do you edit on the phone? Download the Pexels app and the Epidemic Sound app on your phone. Use iMovie or any video editing app to do the same steps. Import your rain clip, duplicate it, add the sound, and stretch it out. Boom! Your rain video is ready. Now the moment we are all waiting for is here. How do you actually start making money from your rain videos daily? Let's break it down. 1. Ad revenue. Long rain videos, think 8 to 10 hours, are your golden ticket. People leave them playing overnight or while they're working, which means higher watch time and higher ad revenue. 2. Subscriptions. Platforms like Patreon let your fans pay for exclusive content. Picture them getting custom rain mixes just for them. It's like having your own VIP fan club. 3. Licensing. Got some killer rain sounds or visuals? Sell them to other creators or businesses and watch the money roll in. 4. Digital products. Take those calming rain sounds, bundle them into downloadable files or apps, and sell them. People love buying things they can take offline and use anytime. To get your videos noticed, you need to work these smart strategies. 1. Keywords. Use search terms like best rain videos for sleeping, or rain sounds for studying, or tap into super specific niches like Harry Potter rainy day ambiance. People are searching for these. 2. Tap into trends. Get creative and combine rain with trending themes. Imagine mixing the cozy sound of rain with something like Starbucks on a rainy day or library vibes. You'll be riding the wave of those trending searches. 3. Thumbnails and titles, make them eye-catching. A cozy, rainy image paired with a title like 10 hours of relaxing rain for deep sleep works wonders. Want to make your rain videos pop? Here are some tricks to make sure your content stands out in the crowd. 1. Create videos people love. Rain for sleep, meditation, or focus. 2. Add variety by using a mix of rain types, for example, gentle, heavy, or pair rain with other sounds like waterfalls. 3. Keep the visuals simple. Dark screens work great for nighttime vibes. 4. Consistency is key. Upload videos regularly to build an audience. Still skeptical? Well, let's look at some big names who turn rain videos into serious cash. 1. Ambiance Atmosphere. This creator built an empire around ASMR rain videos, raking in thousands every single day. 2. Relaxing Music. They've mastered the art of blending rain sounds with soothing tunes, and they're pocketing anywhere from $50,000 to $70,000 annually, with their peak earnings hitting big in 2021. That's not just a sprinkle of success, that's a full downpour. And there you have it. Rain videos are a low-cost, low-effort way to tap into YouTube's massive audience. Whether you're on a phone or computer, you can start creating today. What kind of rain video will you make first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. Stay tuned for more easy ways to grow your income. See you next time.